Good day, everyone, and welcome to edition 14 of Commercial Vehicle 360. My name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Commercial Vehicle at Safely. This time of year, normally I get a little excited, or at least I'm starting to get a little excited. I've got my bag flopped open. I've thrown a few things in there. I'm writing some stuff down. I'm sending some confirming emails to people because I'm getting ready to jet set to Indianapolis for the Work Truck Show. We all know that's not going to happen this year because of what's happened in the past. We're moving forward. The NTEA has taken this event now and reimagined it in a virtual format, which is really exciting, known as Work Truck Week 21. It's going to be fantastic. The schedule of events is going to be everything that we would ever expect from the NTEA and the Work Truck Show events. It's going to be held between March 8th and 12th, and Safely it's going to be a part of this. You're going to be able to experience what's the latest in work trucks, equipment, and the new products. You'll be able to understand what it's like to be participative or interactive with leading networking people and the education that comes from such an event. It will be awesome. You'll be able to see 2 live demos from Safely, interact with our leading safety fleet experts, and you'll be able to learn a lot about our top 10 industry-leading safety brands within our portfolio at Safely. Hey, if you need a little help on attending a virtual event, you can go to our blog. Our blog is going to have tips in there on how to maximize and get the most out of a virtual experience. So, registration's open. Make sure you get in there and register. We hope to be a part of your growth by attending that event. So, until next month on edition 15, please be safe. I hope your business is oh so well. I wish you nothing but the best. We appreciate your business at Safely and have a great day. Bye.